right, our groceries have been delivered. This is our Walmart grocery haul, and this time we are going to be doing a grocery challenge. That's why this grocery haul is not as huge as it usually is. Our grocery challenge is going to be trying to make these groceries and what we already have on hand last over a week and a half, and also stick to the budget that we spent on these groceries, which is less than $100. So we are challenging ourselves to see if we can do it, to use all that we have with this grocery, staying to that budget and even going beyond a week, which is even less. Usually our weekly budget is $150. So we're doing $100 for a week and a half. So let's get into what we have. Let's get into these groceries, what we have on hand, and then our menu board so you can see what we're planning to eat for the next 9 days. All right, we'll get started over here. We have 2 bags of rice cauliflower. We also have some shrimp, so maybe a shrimp stir fry. I love our frozen bag of shrimp, the 2 pounds. Plenty of shrimp to have for different meals. 18 eggs. We love our broccoli. I got some turkey sausage links for my breakfast. Asparagus. My son requested some radishes this time. They look so good. He loves to roast those up. We also decided to get a whole head of cauliflower in addition to our frozen bags. We just love cauliflower. So many things, so many variety, but he's going to make buffalo, air fried buffalo with the cauliflower florets. And then big package of our chicken breast tenderloins. My husband and son love these. My husband marinates them and they go on the grill and they're perfect to last all week and everything. Got us 6 avocados, but I hope they get right before the 9 days are up. And then we have 2 packages of bacon. One of our favorite things from the jalapenos from the garden are stuffed jalapenos with cream cheese wrapped in bacon. So 2 packages for that. Some grass-fed ground beef. We're going to be making a meatloaf. And then plenty of cheese, 2 bags of mozzarella, 4 packs, so 2 packs each of Philadelphia cream cheese, and a huge bag of almond flour. And that's to make our keto bread and our keto bagels to have for the week, and then also cottage cheese for some extra protein. So that is it. That's everything that is in our grocery haul for today and for the next 9 days. I'll put the total up here of where we landed exactly. We did meet that $100 or less budget, and now we'll talk about what we have and then get into the menu for what we have planned, and join us to see if we make it through this challenge of the 9 days. All right, this is what we're working with that we already had in our fridge and freezer. We're gonna go through it quickly, and actually from our garden too. So this is all from the garden. Fresh green peppers, wonderful. We also have these peppers and shishito peppers. I can't remember the name of these. Banana peppers, that's it. Banana peppers and shishito, those are gonna be so great. We have this zucchini that also came from the garden. Head of lettuce, not from the garden. The rest of this is all from the store. Baby spinach and arugula blend, we'll use that up. This was frozen. Edamame, also frozen. Our veggie fries, these are zucchini, garlic, and Parmesan. They're so great in the air fryer. You can't really see what's in there. It's a little freezer kind of crusted on there, but these are thin sliced center cut pork chops. I'll probably do a Mississippi roast or something in the crock pot with those. Also frozen were our chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And then up here we have these chicken pot stickers, and I thought that might pair really well with this meal here we got. It is a pad thai, kind of frozen entree. I'm trying to look for like the label, but I'm not finding it. But this is like a pad thai. It comes with this little powder sauce that I have on the side. And that's just a quick heat in the microwave meal. And then here we have some, what are these? Oh yeah, the chicken drumsticks. So chicken legs, those will be so great grilled or roasted. I also have some mild sausage, Italian sausage. And then we do have some fillets still left in our pink salmon skin on fillets bag here. So I think there's about 4 in there that's left. And then we have these frozen Mediterranean style chicken patties we did get. So these are going to be great, just grilled or air fried. They have red onions in them, spinach, roasted red peppers, feta cheese, olive oil, and spices. So yummy. So that is what we're working with. So you can see here we got a lot of protein, some fresh veg. We're going to be great to start our menu, and I think this will be able to stretch out and to make it those 9 days. Let's get into our menu and what we're going to whip up with all of these items. All right, here's our menu. This is our grocery challenge menu. What I'm planning to make for the next 9 days. The shrimp fajitas, that's gonna be with those wonderful bell peppers, the green bell peppers from the garden. We'll have peppers and onions and guac to go with that. We have some keto-friendly wraps, tortillas. I have the ground beef to make a meatloaf, and we'll pair that with asparagus. We have those chicken patties that are frozen. We'll pair that with arugula salad or those zucchini fries that were in the freezer, maybe both of those. Chicken legs, I'm thinking roasted with some olives and feta cheese. And then pork chops, I'm thinking the Mississippi roast with the ranch seasoning and the brown gravy mix. That'll be so good in the crock pot. Italian sausage, that frozen Italian sausage, I'll mix that maybe with some sun-dried tomatoes, some fresh basil from the garden, cream cheese, and some artichokes. That would be so good. Such a great saucy sausage Italian bake. That would be yummy. And then I'm thinking Thai day. We'll have those noodles, those pad Thai noodles, and some pot stickers and the frozen edamame. That'd be a great day. Great meal for that day. And then chicken thighs, boneless. I'm thinking throw that in a crock pot, add some barbecue sauce, just keep it basic. Maybe roast some sweet potatoes to throw those in with it. Be really easy and delicious. And then salmon bake or a salmon salad, depending on what we want to do with those salmon frozen fillets. So that's the plan. That's our menu ideas. And then just a couple breakfast snacks. I'm thinking with that big zucchini to whip up a quiche. And then if I don't use the feta in the roasted with the chicken legs, I'm thinking maybe an appetizer with our cucumbers to just make some whipped feta with lemon for like dipping. That is the plan. That's what we're hoping. Now, just so you know, my husband and my son are on board with this as well. They're the ones who helped me plan the groceries, what we want to eat, and see if we can do this challenge all together. I'll keep you posted on the challenge and how it all goes in another video. So if you want to be sure to catch that, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell if you haven't done already, so that way you're notified when I make that video. All right, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll see you on the next video.